Menteri Rangba ke Assam, Mynta Biswa Sarma, Mynta ke Sngi ke Arpoi Terik, Unai Araja Arpulai, Luan ban Kuk Borom ban Sami ki Khusnam ban Kumjuru ban Aya ke Salu, Syakil Laispa Nyif Nyongot ki Pulit Officer Jakan North East Police Academy. Ki bela pendep ye ke training, haki kedan ki bapher hakani ke jaga ajika ye ki Pulit naga thanj tay lamingi.
Sir. Look. Look. Sir.
अनुकरणीय आचरण के लिए स्वर्गीय B.R. लाल
In 2011, Dr. Mynta Sharma was re-elected from Jalukbari LAC with a record margin of 75,000 votes and was inducted into the government as a cabinet minister for health and family welfare, education and Guwahati development. Platoon number 8 is commanded. The Assam Police Central Program is commanded by Commander Ajit
एक साथ बढ़ रहे इनके कदमों के आवाज के साथ बैंड की धुन से आज यहाँ का जगह जोश व आनंद का अनुभव हो रहा है।
The parade is commanded by DYSP Probationer Ambarish Sharma of Assam Police Service. Second in command is Cadet Sub Inspector Sumanta Sharma of Assam Police.
पहले प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं असम पुलिस के प्रशिक्षु उपाधीक्षक परीक्षित लाहौर।
Platoon number 2 is commanded by DYSP Probationer Himanshu Kuhai of Assam Police, comprising of 40 trainees.
तीसरे प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं असम पुलिस के कैडेट उप निरीक्षक दिग्विजय कोलिटा।
Platoon number 4 is commanded by Cadet Sub Inspector Shubhankar Dev Verma of Tripura Police Service, comprising of 48 trainees.
पांचवें प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं असम पुलिस के कैडेट उप निरीक्षक राजदीप शर्मा।
Platoon number 6 is commanded by Cadet Sub Inspector Rishma Kolita of Assam Police, comprising of 48 trainees. The riding contingent is commanded by Inspector Sriram Kumawat on Vidyut.
Habakran na kani kajalang na kalang umutiri na baka Assam ulap pagkanmao ya kajingkran jang umutiri na ba adu kari India unan ramudi hakasnam arja khatsao haba ulap pagkanmao baki Pulit kidi Pyndonkam rangka Jingstad juga Saian semak teknologi ulap pagkanmao ri ki Pulit bakani ki sigi Mynta kajing jelai jo drugs bak emla kasalang bar kuntu ki Pulit bakin trash tam manrat ngkong ya kani kajing sini.
Idea of smart policing in the country. The idea of smart policing is a strategic approach that uses cutting-edge technology and evidence-based methods to integrate more science into the police operation. New digital technologies pave the path as to how police protect and serve the people. It is all about enabling the police to fight crime more quickly and effectively. Therefore, it is important to stay current with the technology and employ them appropriately. With the integration of cutting-edge technology, modern policing stands in the sharp contrast to the policing of yesteryears. In the present era, law enforcement has skillfully incorporated science and technology to tackle the ever-evolving complexities of crime. The utilization of advanced technologies, including data analytics, forensic tools and surveillance system has altered investigation and crime prevention strategies.